Hey there, quick review on this Maxted double door draft stopper. You may be wondering, will this only work if the door fits the exact size? And the answer is no. The way this is constructed, you have two tubes on each side and you can expose the tube on the inside here. As you can see, this is just a foam insert. You can cut that off, and then they've designed it in such a way that there is Velcro running all up along the side here. So you can cut this to length for a shorter door and then just fold over the Velcro tabs after you cut off the inner tubing, so you can very easily match this to fit any size door under the measurement that you're purchasing. This particular product, it advertises as fitting between 24 and 30-inch doors. Now this is a 36-inch door, but the lighting is good right here, so I wanted to demonstrate this right here. Again, you see both tubes are gonna go along both sides of the door. You can slide that under, and it completely eliminates any draft or light that can get through, and it'll also slide on your flooring as you open and close it. So if you want to actually still be using the door while also getting that air seal, you can still use the door. Overall, really nice product. If you want to keep that warm or cold air out or in, however you want to think about it, this is going to work really well for you.